All right, hands down, probably the coolest feature that the Sling folks brought to us was the ability to use your phone, iPhone or Android. You download the app, and then it becomes a camera that your Sling Hub sees. So you don't have to have a camcorder at all. But the beauty of it is you can mix iPhones and Android phones and camcorders together. And the Capture app is free. And if you run the Capture app on your phone finds the hub finds the phone, and bingo, you're in business. It's also cool because it means, like, let's say you're using it in a church when we're able to be in churches again, or at a venue where, let's say, a band's playing, your favorite band's playing, people with their phones, you can have some people using their phones, and you can actually bring their video into your video. So it's just so cool that it does it. It's great for schools or churches on a tight budget also, because maybe you can't afford a camera yet. But like I said, with the camera links, you can do that also. So